Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I am also fine. Dear students, today we will learn chapter number 2 of our book, which name is Exponents. Okay. So here are some laws of exponents which I want to explain you. So please open your books, page number 30. Our topic is laws of exponents. First of all, we will understand all laws of exponents and then I will give you the solution of exercise 2a. Okay. Let a upon b be any rational number. Let a upon b be any rational number and m and n be any integers. Then we have what they say? They say if a upon b any rational number, if a upon b is any rational number and m and n any integers, then we have some laws for exponents. First law is a upon b raised m multiply a upon b raised n is equal to a upon b m plus n, which means when two same rational number will multiply but their exponent value is different, then after multiplying the same rational number we add the exponent values. Okay, that's clear. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम अभी यहाँ पर लेकर चलते हैं 1/2 रेज्ड m मल्टीप्लाई 1/2 रेज्ड n. So here are the same rational number 1/2 and 1/2. So 1/2 is a common in the answer, but their exponent values are different and when they are multiplying they are add with each other. Okay, m plus n. Second one. Second law of exponent said a upon b raised m when divided a upon b raised n, the exponent value is subtract from each other. Okay? When two rational numbers, same rational numbers, divided by each other and their exponent values are different, then a upon b we put as a common rational number and their exponent values will be subtracted with each other. Okay. The third law of exponent said when a upon b raised m big bracket close raised n is equal to what? A upon b and the value of exponents is again multiplying with each other. We remove the big bracket. We remove the big bracket and merge the exponent values. Okay. According to fourth law of exponents, a upon b is multiplying c upon d, small bracket close, raised n is equal to a upon b raised n multiply c upon d raised n. They said if you have the rational number in this form, a upon b multiplying c upon d, then The answer is divided into two parts, but the exponent value is multiplying with the both parts. Okay? According to fifth law of exponents, a upon b raised minus n is equal to b upon a raised n. If we have the rational number or it has the exponent part in minus sign, so we make a reciprocal of the given rational number and convert the exponent power into in positive integer. Okay? According to sixth law of exponent, a upon b raised 0 is equal to 1. Okay? It means when the rational number have 0 exponent power, the value of rational number is 1. Okay guys? So, now we do the exercise 2a according to all these laws of exponents. Okay? So let's start the exercise 2a. Question 1 is evaluate. Question 1 is evaluate. The first part of this question is 4 raised minus 3. 4 raised minus 3. In solution, what we will do and which law we will follow? Anyone have the answer? Anyone have the answer? Which law we will follow? We follow the law number 5. According to law number 5, if a upon b raised minus n, then we answered as b upon a raised n, where n is a positive integer. So, according to law, we solve this question. We have 4 raised minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 4 raised 3. So, our answer is 1 upon 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. And we get the answer 1 upon 16. Okay? Clear? Anyone have the doubt? Okay, that's great. Now, solve the second part of this question. One upon 2 raised minus 5. Raised minus 5. So, again we write the law of exponent first. According to law number 5. if a upon b raised minus n, that is equal to b upon a raised n, where n is a positive integer. So now we have Now we have 1 upon 2 raised minus 5. Now we change it. 2 raised upon 1 raised 5. Make a reciprocal of this. And now solve it. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get the answer 2 5s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. We get the answer 32 upon 1 or we write it as 32. That's clear to all? Very good. Now let's understand the question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is also said evaluate. How to evaluate? The first part of this question is 5 upon 3 raised 2 multiply 5 upon 3 raised 2. First we write the law of exponent which this equation is following. Okay. Which law? Which law of exponent this equation is following? First law of exponents. Okay. According to law number 1. The law is if a upon b raised m multiplying a upon b raised n, then the answer is a upon b m plus n. Okay. Now solve it and put the values of the given numbers. We have 5 upon 3 raised 2 multiplying 5 upon 3 raised 2. The answer is 5 upon 3 raised 2 plus 2. Okay. So we have 5 upon 3 raised 4. Okay. Now we write it as 5 raised 4 and 3 raised 4. So the answer is 5 multiplying 5 multiplying 5 multiplying 5 upon 3 multiplying 3 multiplying 3 multiplying 3. And we have the answer 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and 125 5s are is 625. Multiplying 3 3 3 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 27 3s are 81. Okay. So 625 upon 81. We have the answer. Yeah. It's okay. One more question. One more part of this question is 5 upon 6 raised 6 multiplying 5 upon 6 raised minus 4. Okay. Now solve it. First of all, we follow the law number 1. If A upon B raised m multiplying A upon B raised n, that is equal to A upon B m plus n. So we have 5 upon 6 raised 6 multiplying 5 upon 6 raised minus 4. Okay. So how we add it? We just write here 5 upon 6 raised 6 plus minus 4. Okay. Now we have 5 upon 6 plus minus minus. We have 5 raised 2. It means 5 raised 2 upon 6 raised 2. So we have the answer 5 multiplying 5 and 6 multiplying 6. 5s are 25 and 6 are 36. Okay? So I think all of you have understand the exercise 2A. If you have any doubt, so please ask me without any hesitation. I will solve your problem. It's okay for all of you? That's great. So that's all for today. Yeah, thank you. That's all for today. We will meet tomorrow again. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. And please do subscribe and like, share our school channel. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.